Let's learn No Time to Talk. It's choreographed by Julie Barnett. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with restarts on walls 2 and 5 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn No Time to Talk. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to do a quarter turning sailor step. Cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. Step forward with your right. We're now going to lock our left foot in and behind our right, and as you bring it in, you're going to pop your right knee forward. Step forward with your right foot. You're going to bounce your heel, making a half turn over your left shoulder, keeping your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. You're going to put your weight onto your left and flick your right foot back. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross side quarter sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a right mambo step. Rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, step back with your right. We're now going to walk back with toe fans. So we're going to step back with our left foot, and as you step back, you're going to lift your right toe up and fan it out to the right. You're going to do the same thing as we do our next 3 walks back. Step back with your right, lift your left toe up and fan it. Step back with your left, lift your right toe up and fan it. Step back with your right, lift your left toe up and fan it. We're now going to do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right together, left forward. So when you're doing those fans, you want to make sure that you're keeping your heel on the floor so that when you're doing it, you're just kind of like twisting on your heel as you walk back. Your weight's going to be on whatever foot you're stepping with. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your mambo. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do heel switches. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward, quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right and touch your right toe forward. We're now going to swivel our right heel out and back center, and then quickly step your right next to your left. We're now going to repeat that starting with our left foot. So you're going to put your left heel forward, quickly step it next to your right, place your right heel forward, quickly step it next to your left, touch your left toe forward, swivel your left heel out to the left, back center, and then put your weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heel switches. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do 2 half turning toe struts with hip bumps. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as you touch your right toe to the right side, bump your hip right, left, and then as we bump our hip to the right, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, touching your left toe to the left side, bumping your hip left, right, and as we bump our hip left, you're going to put your weight onto your left foot, making a quarter turn to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a right mambo step, rocking forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, step back with your right. We're going to do a left mambo back, rock back with your left foot, recover onto your right, step your left foot forward. And as you step forward, you want to slightly angle your hips to the left so that you can go into your cross-side sailor. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped with our left. You're going to do your turning toe struts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your cross-side sailor. Cross, side, sailor, quarter, turn, lock with a pop, step, half bounce, flick. Mambo, step, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, coaster, step. Heel step, touch, swivel, step, heel step, touch, swivel, step, half hip, bump, toe strut, half hip, bump, toe strut, mambo step, mambo step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. Your first restart will happen on wall 2. So we'll be dancing the 9 o'clock wall. You're going to dance 16 counts and restart to the 6 o'clock wall. So let's dance those 16 counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross-side sailor quarter turn. Cross, side, sailor quarter turn, lock, pop, step, half bounce, flick. Mambo, step, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, coaster, step. Right here, you're going to restart the dance. That same restart will happen on wall 5. So the first time we come back to the 12 o'clock wall, you'll dance those same 16 counts and then a restart facing 9 o'clock. Now, let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be facing 12 o'clock. You're going to dance 16 counts of the dance, which is those same 16 counts from our restart. So you'll be doing your coaster step facing 9 o'clock. All you're going to do is make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side to face 12 o'clock so that you can end facing the front. And that is everything in the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts into their next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our cross-side sailor. Cross, side, sailor, quarter, turn, lock, pop, step, half bounce, flick. Mambo, step, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, coaster, step. Heel step, touch, twist, step, heel step, touch, twist, step, half toe strut, hip bump, half toe strut, hip bump, mambo step, 16 counts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, restart, cross, side, sailor quarter, turn, lock, pop, step, half bounce, flick. Mambo step, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, coaster, step, heel, step, touch, twist, step, heel, step, touch, twist, step, half, toe straight, hip, bump, half, toe straight, hip, bump, mambo, step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 16 counts. Cross, side, sailor quarter, turn, luck with a pop, step, half, bounce, flick, mambo, step, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, back, fan, coaster, step, restart, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. After that, you'll dance until your final wall, where you'll make the quarter turn to face 12 o'clock after 16 counts. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn no time to talk. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.